Vedic Heritage Inc. hosted its annual Diwali Grand Event on October 5th in New York, led by Manjula Khosla. The evening featured Indian classical maestros Purbayan Chatterjee, Rakesh Chaurasia and Amit Kavthekar, whose sitar, flute and tabla created a symphony of light and devotion. Guests enjoyed a cultural showcase that beautifully celebrated India's heritage, brick by brick, heart by heart. Let's watch some highlights.
So, Jennifer, would you like to say a few words and the mayor?
Good afternoon. Thank you very much for inviting me to this most beautiful temple. This was my first visit today. I crossed over the line from North Hempstead to the town of Hempstead. And it is really wonderfully beautiful. I want to thank everybody who cares for this place, who's been working to restore it. It was wonderful to meet PK and to pray and to be blessed. Thank you very much. Wonderful to meet the musicians who'll be performing tonight, and of course to see you all.
Good evening. It is a great day in the village of Hempstead. I am always honored to be here. Every year have an opportunity to share because you are in Hempstead. I am the mayor of Hempstead, so we are family. And so we are so grateful. And I have a proclamation, a citation from myself and the Board of Trustees. We'll just present it. They were sharing, this is I think like my 4th year coming. So I know when I have to take off my shoes. Again, I am accustomed to being here. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
जय श्री हनुमान। ये बाबा का मंदिर है। अब बहुत पुराना मंदिर है। ये मंदिर ही नहीं, ये सिद्धपीठ में तब चेंज हो गया है, बदल गया है, क्योंकि बाबा की इतनी उपासना होती है, इतनी साधना होती है, भक्त लोग आते हैं, और ये सब का जड़ जो है हमारी परम पूजनीय गुरु माता जी हैं, थी नहीं हैं।
Jai Shri Hanuman. I'm absolutely delighted that for 40 years we have brought the best of Indian classical music at Pandit Jasraj Auditorium at Shri Hanuman Temple, which is our main program which helps us run the temple throughout the year. So I hope you get to see the program and please keep supporting us as we want to keep this going for at least another 40 years. Thank you.
Jai Shri Hanuman. I'm Veena Sabapati, one of the director from Vedic Heritage. We have gathered here to celebrate Guru Ma's dream come true, annual Diwali function. This event was started many years back by visionary icon, our Guru Ma. Thank you.
Jai Shri Hanuman. And I want to welcome everybody for our annual Deepavali fundraiser program. We are so excited to have everybody here and hope everybody enjoys the program.
मेरा नाम विनोद कुमार सिन्हा है। मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है आज हम लोग सब यहाँ जुटे हैं और वैदिक हेरिटेज के बहुत लवली, बहुत प्यारा प्रोग्राम को अटेंड करने को। मेरे बहुत ही अच्छी शुभकामनाएं हैं सभी लोगों के लिए। आप सभी लोग एंजॉय करें। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। नमस्कार।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम नलिनी सिन्हा है और हम आज बहुत ही खुश हैं कि आज वैदिक हेरिटेज में इतना अच्छा सांस्कृतिक प्रोग्राम हो रहा है और हम सभी लोग मिलकर इसका आनंद लेंगे। हमें बहुत खुशी है कि यहाँ ये प्रोग्राम हो रहा है जो कि आजकल बहुत कम हो गया है ऐसे सांस्कृतिक प्रोग्राम, और हमें तो ये प्रोग्राम बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है। एक बार फिर आप सभी को बहुत बहुत नमस्कार।
I'm Mayor Wellen Hobbs Jr., Mayor of the Incorporated Village of Hempstead. It is always an honor to be here to enjoy this festival. I enjoy the artistry and just sharing with our community. We are grateful for this temple. We always acknowledge and remember even Grandma. We're happy to have met her son on today, and it is a great day in the Village of Hempstead.
Good evening. I'm North Hempstead Town Supervisor Jen DeSena, and I'm very excited to hear this beautiful classical music and celebrate the wonderful festival of light over darkness of Diwali. So this is a wonderful, generous community, and I'm very, very grateful to be able to pray and celebrate with you. Thank you.
Namaskar. My name is Indu Jaiswal, Chairperson of Indian American Forum. Today we are at the Vedic Heritage Hanuman Temple at the Pandit Jasraj Auditorium, looking forward for an annual function.
I'm Renu Jain from Vedic Heritage. I'm very excited. This day we are having our annual fundraiser. Actually our second in line in 46 years of our history of existence. This is our only second well organized fundraiser, and we are happy that we have great artists from India to enthrall the audiences and hope to raise some great funds for temple's construction. Thank you very much.
Namaskar everyone. Want to wish you all a very very happy Diwali. Vedic Heritage is celebrating in a big way with a beautiful concert by Rakesh Chaurasia ji, and we are going to enjoy it, and आप सभी को बहुत बहुत दिवाली की मुबारक।
जय श्री हनुमान।
This was such a wonderful music session here this evening celebrating Diwali. So happy Diwali to everyone. This was the music of the heart. This was the music of the soul. This was the music, we say, the celestial heavens. It was so beautiful. I was lost in this hour and a half sitting here just enjoying the beauty of what music is.
जय श्री हनुमान। मैं राकेश चौरसिया बांसुरी वादक, और आज यहाँ गुरु माँ के आने के बाद मुझे 28 साल पहले वाला फीलिंग महसूस हुआ है। वही आशीर्वाद उनकी, वही पॉजिटिविटी, और वही लोग जो सादगी से यहाँ पे सारे कार्यक्रम करते हैं। एंड एवरीबडी, आई कैन remember in a second everything back what I did here 28 years back, and now it's developed in a much better way, in a bigger way, and this was the opening of this auditorium, Pandit Jasraj Auditorium, and we are fortunate to be here and sharing the same stage with all these maestros, Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma ji, Pandit Hariprasad Chaurasia ji, Pandit Jasraj ji, and whatnot. Everybody has played here, so this is like a blessing for every upcoming musicians, and I look forward all the time, and anytime I'm needed here, I'll be here.
Namaskar, this is Purbayan Chatterjee, and I'm truly delighted to be here to perform for Vedic Heritage Incorporated and to honor Guru Ma and at Hanumanji's Mandir. It's the most wonderful coming together of people It was such a beautiful communion for me. It was a great blessing to play on stage with Rakesh Chaurasia ji, who is certainly one of the best artists of our country, and with Amit Kavthekar on tabla. Thank you so much for having me here, and I will remember this evening for a very long time. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम अमित कवठेकर है और मैं तबला बजाता हूँ और मेरी शुरुआत अमेरिका में पहला कॉन्सर्ट यही से हुई थी। यही स्टेज पे नीचे संगीत मातंड पंडित जसराज जी बैठे थे, पंडित हरिप्रसाद जी बैठे थे, विजय घाटे बैठे थे और इतना मज़ा आया था। तो तब तबला सोलो बजाया था मैंने और फिर लास्ट 2 साल पहले आयन भाई के साथ अभी राकेश भाई और पुरबान भाई, इतना मज़ा आया। ये ऑडिटोरियम का एक जो गुरु माँ का जो आशीर्वाद है वो बहुत बड़ी बात है हम लोगों के लिए कि आर्टिस्ट को इतना सराहना, बहुत अच्छी तरह से रखना, उनका ख्याल रखना, उनको अच्छी तरह से जो चाहिए उसकी कदर करना और अच्छा म्यूज़िक बजता है यहाँ और एक पवित्र भाव है यहाँ। तो बहुत मज़ा आता है, हमेशा आता रहूँगा और गुरु माँ का आशीर्वाद रहे तो और भी बहुत साल आते रहूँगा। बहुत मज़ा आया बजा के और थैंक यू सो मच।
जय श्री हनुमान जी, मेरा नाम गुरुदत्त है। मैं इस मंदिर में 98 से आ रहा हूँ, तो ऑलमोस्ट 27 इयर्स हो गए हैं। हनुमान जी की कृपा देखें, हनुमान जी ने जब राम जी के इतने बड़े बड़े काम कर दिए तो हमारे काम तो उसके आगे कुछ भी नहीं है। जय श्री हनुमान।